Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Intelligence is not showing or it's not working on iOS 18.1. Alright, well the first thing that you need to do here is to make sure that you already have installed the 18.1 update for your iOS device. Alright, to do so, just go ahead and open up your settings app and go to the Generals tab and make sure that you have installed the iOS 18.1. So, if you already have installed the 18.1 iOS update, make sure that your phone is compatible with this particular feature, all right, which is the Apple Intelligence, because this feature is only available in these devices right here. All right, as you can see here, it is only available for iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, and so on and so forth. If you have below that particular model, just like myself, I only have iPhone 11. All right, that's the reason why I don't see the Apple Intelligence feature in my settings. So you might have the same problem. Well, I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.